Hidden iPhone messages features you need to try. Send the subject of a photo using the echo effect. On an iPhone, you can send the subject of a photo without the background in the Messages app using the built-in Lift Subject from Background feature. Here's how. Open the Photos app and find the image you want to use. Press and hold on the subject of the photo until a glowing outline appears. When the subject is lifted, tap Copy or Share. If you tapped Copy, open the Messages app, select a chat, and paste. If you tapped Share, choose Messages, select a recipient. Tap and hold the Send button, the blue arrow. Select Screen. Tap the Send button to send the photo with the echo effect. This works on iPhones running iOS 16 or later. Use text replacements for repeat messages. Text replacement is a feature in iOS that allows you to set up text shortcuts that automatically expand into longer phrases, words, or even emojis. It's a great way to save time and effort when typing, especially for frequently used words or phrases. Here's how you can set up and use text replacement. Open Settings. Tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Tap on Text Replacement. To create a new shortcut, tap the plus button in the top right corner. In the Phrase field, type the word or phrase you want to be inserted. In the Shortcut field, type the short abbreviation you want to use to trigger the replacement. Save. Tap Save in the top right corner. How to use text replacement. In any app where you can type text messages, mail, notes, and so forth, start typing the shortcut you created. Trigger the replacement. Once you've typed the shortcut, either press the spacebar or continue typing the next word. The shortcut will be automatically replaced with the full phrase you set up. Edit a message. You can edit messages in iOS 18. This is a handy feature that lets you correct typos or rephrase something you've sent. Here's how it works. Go to the Messages app and open the conversation where you want to edit a message. Locate the message you wish to edit. Tap and hold the message bubble. A menu will pop up. Select Edit. The message will become editable. Make your corrections or changes. Tap the check mark to save your edits. Important things to remember. Time limit. You can only edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. Edit history. The recipient will see that the message has been edited. They can also tap Edited to see the original message. iMessage only. This feature works only for iMessages. You can't edit SMS messages. iOS 16 or later, both you and the recipient need to be using iOS 16 or later for editing to work seamlessly. If the recipient is on an older iOS version, they'll receive the edited message as a new message. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.